You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know the spelling makes it a bit confusing, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know. So let's break it down. The British English pronunciation is as parlour. Parlour. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary and pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Parlour. The American English pronunciation is as parlour. Parlour. So you want to stress in both cases on the first syllable, and it's not parlour. No, parlour or parlour. And now you know how to pronounce parlour. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.